Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. It's Beatles week and we're looking at From Me to You. Don't go anywhere. If you enjoy this lesson today, remember to click like, share with your friends and also subscribe to my channel for free harmonica lessons every single week. So today we're looking at From Me to You by the Beatles. There's a lovely little harmonica part for it. It's quite interesting and sort of surprisingly maybe not so simple as it seems when you listen to the record. We're playing it on a C harmonica with the option of also playing some on a F harmonica or a low F harmonica. So in my research for this lesson, I was a little bit surprised listening to the record. I thought it might be on a chromatic harmonica, but it sounds like there's some bending involved, so I think it probably is a diatonic harmonica. But the key of the harmonica is still a little bit of a mystery to me. My best bet is that it's a low F harmonica. So that's a key, an octave below a normal F. So I've given you the tab to play it on an F harmonica or on a low F harmonica, but we're also going to look at how to play it on a C harmonica. Now the thing with the C harmonica is that obviously more of you will have a C harmonica, but we need to bend to get one of the notes, and on the record it doesn't sound like a bend, so that's why I don't think it's a normal C harmonica. There is the chance that it's maybe played on a Richter tuned C harmonica, so they've retuned the note, but I don't know if people did that back in the 60s, who knows. Anyway, I'm rambling. Let's have a little listen to how it sounds. So this is the first line from the intro. So it's that note at the end there, which is a bend, so you can hear that in the playing. So this is the intro, and you play that line twice, and the tab is 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, 4 draw twice, and then 3 draw, full step bend. Now this is really good practice for playing that bend because you want to try and get that bend really nice and clean and melodic. You don't want this to sound kind of dirty and bluesy. You want it to be as clean as possible. So you're working on trying to get that note nice. I mean, that wasn't very nice there. And probably I would kind of cup when I get that note just to dampen that note a little bit. Now the alternative for this line is to play it on an F harmonica, or this is a low F, which puts us in the right octave, the right kind of area, and you could play it like this. So that would be the tab you can see lower down on the screen: 6 blow, 6 draw, 7 draw, 6 draw, 6 blow, 6 draw twice, and then 5 blow. So no bends. But going back to the C, we've got that line and we play it twice. And then the vocals would come in. And we're actually kind of free for a full minute almost. The track is only about 2 minutes long, so halfway through, at about a minute, we get up to the solo. And the solo is actually that first line and then another line after it. So it kind of follows the melody of what they've been singing up to that point. So the first line is just the same. And then so that's the second line is 4 blow, 4 draw, 5 blow, 4 draw, 4 blow, 6 draw twice, and then 6 blow. So okay, if you wanted to play that on your F or your low F, it would be same as before. So we've got 6 blow, 6 draw, 7 draw, 6 draw, 6 blow, and then 8 blow, 8 blow, and then 8 draw. That's the same as 6 draw twice and 6 blow on the C harmonica. Wow, juggling harmonicas. I'm confused. You're probably confused. I'm sorry if I'm confusing you. I want to give you the options. I want you to be able to try both. So that's the solo. That's all there is to it, just those 2 lines. And then again, we're kind of waiting until towards the end of the song where there's the kind of outro where the vocals finish and we do a little bit of playing just to finish. That starts about 1 minute 40. So for the outro, we do a call and response with the vocals. So the vocals go, to you, to you, to you. So all we're doing is a 4 draw and then a 4 blow. 3 times in between the 2 U's. If we were on an F or a low F, then we'd have 6 draw, 6 blow. To you, to you. Back to the C. And then the last line is actually just the same as the first line of the song. It's actually played at the same time as they're singing. So we're da 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 da. If there's anything that you want. So we're just playing the same line we played from the intro. So there aren't that many lines to learn. Obviously the difficulty with that last part on that intro is that holding that note to finish, holding that bend, that's pretty tricky. And trying to make it clean. So of course, if we were on the F or the low F, it doesn't go like that. It goes, finishing on a 5 blow. Really, really easy because I can just hold that and get a nice clean sound. So you've got those different options there, but I just thought I'd give you the C harmonica because it gives you some practice on the bends, which is a useful thing. But if you just wanted that really clean sound, you're probably going to need an F harmonica, although that'll be quite high, or a low F harmonica as I was playing, where it really starts to sound like the recording. I'd love to know which harmonica was used in the recording. Maybe there's a Beatles kind of know-it-all out there who will know more than me and can kind of tell me that. Put a comment beneath the video if you like. I take requests for my lessons, so please do comment on this video if you would like a certain song or technique or something discussed. You can also find me through my website and on Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. Just search LearnTheHarmonica.com. Before you go, remember to click like, share this video with your friends and subscribe for free harmonica lessons every single week. I'll be back again soon with a new harmonica lesson. Until then, enjoy your practice and I'll see you soon. Cheers.